guys, welcome again. This is Ellie from the C.E.S YouTube channel. So, have you guys ever experienced shoulder pain, or do you have shoulder pain now? So today I would like to talk about a very simple exercise that I usually prescribe to my patients in the early stages of shoulder rehab, and that is the shoulder pendulum exercise, or the Codman exercise, named after the person who first described it. Let me give you guys a little bit of a background about our shoulder joints. So our shoulder is a ball and a socket joint that enables us to move in all directions with strength and coordination. But because of the structure giving us a large range of motion, it must sacrifice its stability to achieve that range, so leaving our shoulders vulnerable to injury. And that's why so many people suffer from shoulder pain. In fact, it's actually found that about 70% of us will suffer a painful shoulder injury in our lifetime, making shoulder rehab commonly seen. And the pendulum or the Codman exercise is usually one of the first few exercises physiotherapists would prescribe to help patients with their shoulder problems. Why is that? Because the shoulder pendulum has several benefits. It preserves our shoulder joints' range of motion. It prevents further development of shoulder stiffness, maintains mobility of the rotator cuff and our joint capsule, helps increase the space in the shoulder joint, pain relief, and increases blood flow to the shoulder joint. So why don't we get started, and I will show you guys how to properly perform this pendulum or the Codman exercise. Let me show you guys how to properly perform this pendulum or the Codman exercise. First off, you can perform this in standing or in a seated position. So I'm going to show you guys in the standing position first. With the standing position one, you can find a hard surface, either a table or a countertop surface for you to lean against for support. So let's say the right shoulder is my injured shoulder and I want to perform the pendulum exercise on the right shoulder. This is how I would position myself. I will use my left, have one leg forward, one leg backward, or just have my stance a little bit wide open and kind of lean forward, but with my back straight. My right shoulder stays very relaxed. So we're not actively swinging our arm here. Be mindful, we're not actively swinging it. So when we do this exercise, our body will initiate the movement and our right arm will just swing with a pendulum effect, okay? So my body is initiating the movement, a forward, backward movement, and you can do this up to 20 repetitions. Then, similarly, our body can initiate a clockwise circular motion, and our arm just swings because of the pendulum effect. And you can repeat this again, up to 20 reps. And then also, we can do a counterclockwise circular motion. And again, it's my body that's initiating the swing, initiating the movement, and my arm is swinging because of the pendulum effect, okay? So this is the first way of doing our pendulum exercise, okay? So then, if someone has a back problem or for any reasons cannot stand and do this exercise, you can do it in a seated position on a chair. So very similar. You will sit, then you kind of lean forward a little bit, allow your right arm to kind of just hang, relax, and with your upper body, you're going to use your upper body to initiate the movement. So my upper body is initiating the movement and my arm swings because of the pendulum effect, not because we're actively moving the arm. So again, you can do a circular clockwise motion up to 20 repetitions or a counterclockwise circular motion up to 20 reps, and also a backward and forward swinging motion up to 20 reps. So that's in seated. Once you find this pendulum exercise becomes very easy and you want to get more out of it, you want to get more of a traction feeling in the shoulder joints, then you will add a light weight in your hand. So you'll be holding the light weight in your hand, and then you'll be doing the same pendulum movement or pendulum exercise, forward, backward, up to 20 reps, and then same thing, circular, up to 20 reps, and the counterclockwise, up to 20 reps. That's in seated. And once again, I was not actively swinging with my arms. It was my body initiating the movement. Similarly, if you're going to stand, you will Y stance, lean forward, and swing with my body initiating the movement, and my arm just very comfortably hang and swing because of pendulum effect, forward, backward, up to 20 reps. Then we do a clockwise circular motion, 20 reps, and a counterclockwise circular motion, 20 reps. Okay, so you should feel comfortable when doing this exercise if you do it correctly. Okay, if you guys have any questions, you may comment down below. And if you would like to receive more future healthcare tips, then please like my video and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification. And I will see you guys next time.